Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mia. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So in this video, I'm going to share my nighttime hair care routine, especially when I'm wearing my hair open like this. If I'm not wearing a protective style, I have to take care of my hair to make sure that it does not tangle during the night and it does not lose a lot of moisture. And since I had my hair open the whole day, obviously it lost some of the moisture it had in the morning. So I have to restore that moisture and make sure it stays in the hair to avoid dryness, breakage, and damaging of my hair, especially the ends. But if I'm wearing a protective style like twists or braids, I don't really bother. I just wear silk or satin bonnet and I go to bed. But if it's open like this, then I need to take care of it. So in this video, I'm showing you how to take care of your hair before you go to bed. So the first thing I do is moisturize the hair, and I'm doing that by spraying water, or in this bottle I have aloe vera juice mixed with rose water. So I'm going to spray my hair first because I cannot manipulate dry hair. That is a recipe for disaster. So I'm going to spray my hair first. I want the hair to be really damp because tomorrow I'm most likely going to wear braid outs. So I want them to have definition. I want my curls to have a definition. So I'm going to make sure the hair is quite damp, not wet but damp. After my hair is damp, I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner. This will help to moisturize the hair. I don't apply a lot, just a small amount. So there. Then I'm going to massage my hair for about 5 minutes using a castor oil. And in this bottle of castor oil, I have added a few drops of tea tree oil. I just like the sensation of tea tree, so I usually add tea tree oil, just a little amount of oil. Then I massage into the scalp, not on the hair. I massage the oil into my scalp. Massaging your scalp helps to stimulate blood flow into your head. This also helps to open pores, therefore absorbing the products. It also helps to stimulate hair follicles, which then improves hair growth. It improves the growth of new hair. Yes. So massage for at least 5 minutes. Make sure you also massage the edges, especially if you have damaged edges. Make sure you massage your edges with castor oil. After I am done massaging my hair, I go in with a hair cream. But recently I have been experimenting with a hair lotion. So instead of applying a hair cream, I apply a hair lotion. I find that it kind of gives my hair extra shine. So I go in with a hair lotion. There. And now I braid my hair. I put it in a protective style. If I have time, I'm going to braid my hair, especially since I want to wear braid outs tomorrow. I'm going to put it in a few braids. Detangle using your fingers. Avoid using a comb as much as possible. Just use your fingers to detangle. If you find that the hair is too dry, just use the aloe vera juice, spray again a little. So there, once I am done with the protective style, I wear my silk bonnet. I have to protect my hair, whether it's in a protective style or loose. I have to wear a silk or a satin bonnet to bed, or when I'm just around the house and I'm lying around, I have to wear it to protect my hair from the friction, from tangling, and from losing um, too much moisture from the materials it comes into contact with. So, wear my bonnet, and that's how I'm going to bed. that is my nighttime hair care routine. I hope you learned something. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.